In this video, I'll walk you through Train with Athena, our most interactive way to train your replica. Think of it like having a personalized coaching session. Athena guides you through friendly, targeted questions, and everything you share is saved into the replica's memory. Once you start, Athena will ask thoughtful questions across different training topics, such as your friends and family, lifestyle and preferences, beliefs and values, etc. In this case, I was asked about my favorite book, and I answered with The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. So if I go back to chat and I ask it, what is your favorite book? As you can see, it answers with The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, just like what I've trained it with via Athena, our training assistant. Throughout these different questions, I've accumulated a good number of experience points. And it's a way to encourage you to train your replica and tell it more and more information about yourself so that your replica can get smarter and smarter. The more topics you explore with Athena, like personal values, lifestyle preferences, or hobbies, the more your replica becomes tuned to your personality and style, reflecting your preferences naturally in future interactions. It's like building your own digital companion that truly knows and understands you, not just on the surface, but in meaningful ways that makes every interaction feel personal and meaningful. That's it for Train with Athena. Give it a try, explore different topics, and let your replica grow alongside you.